Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and sorry I haven't been on in a couple of days. I had a computer crash. I was working on, I've been having problems with my camera. Well, it ended up not being my camera. It is the new Monterey update that Apple came up with and put it automatically installed on my iMac. So it started giving me problems. So it crashed my computer, my camera, everything. I couldn't, even my microphone. So I had to take it to the shop and let them reset everything. It absolutely erased the whole computer. So I took it to the shop, or my husband did. He took it to the shop and they reinstalled everything, cleaned it up, and now hopefully everything is working okay. It looks a little dark, so I'm not sure what the problem is there. But, we're going to have to reset things, so it's going to take a little bit to get everything reset like it was. But I wanted to jump on here today real quick. And sorry, you will hear my hubby coughing in the background. He has still got bronchitis, still coughing like crazy. And, he doesn't feel bad. He's just coughing constantly. So we have been dealing with that. But I wanted to get on here today just to wish all of you guys a very, very Merry Christmas and a safe and healthy and happy New Year. I will be doing videos next week, but I'm not going to do any for the next couple of days. I may do one. Let's see. Today is what? Friday? Is today Friday? I don't even know what day it is. I may do one over the weekend. I'm not real sure, but should be back to our regular schedule next week. But I wanted to come on and wish all of you a very Merry Christmas because I haven't had time to do that yet. And you guys have just supported me so well during this year of 2021. There's no way that I'd want to forget you guys. Also, I'm going to be uploading some new freebies on the blog over the next few days, so watch for those. You can go over and download them. You just need to be a subscriber to our YouTube channel here, so go ahead and go down and click that subscribe button and subscribe on that. And you can download those freebies all you want to. Now, I've got this in front of me because this is going to be the next journal that we're going to start on. We'll probably start on it on Monday. This is the Hello Susan collection. And one of them, let's see. Sorry about the crinkling. Let's see if I remember the names of them. I don't. So I'll have to look. And I've cut out my ephemera and everything. Twa Christmas. Twal. There we go. Twal Christmas. I said that right. Twal, I think. It's one of them. And then the second kit is Winter Berry. So we're going to be using these to make winter journals. I'm not going to be making any more Christmas journals, of course, because Christmas is here and just about over with already. But we'll be using the sheets. That one we won't use. We'll save that till next year because it says Christmas. This one says Christmas, this one, but you're going to get to some, like that could be a winter page. You're going to get to some that is going to be good for winter pages. A lot of this ephemera we can use for winter. So my journals are going to be mainly made from this, but like this one, Winter Days, that's beautiful for winter. We might save that whole collection for next year and just use this one. Isn't that gorgeous? Winter Days. I'm going to say it like Alabamian. Winter Days. Let it snow. Of course, we don't have any snow here. It's like 75 degrees outside today. Dream, Plan, Do. And this is Christmas Eve when I'm filming this. So it's rather warm out there. Oh, I love that. I got to cut this ephemera out. So we'll be using that, and then I'm going to use a combination of some of this to go with it. And this is, what did I do with my little note on this one? Oh no, I think I took my note off. This is, let me think a minute. Let's see, this one is from Digital Hobby Helper. So this one is from My mind's blank. But I'll put it down below. I'll remember in a little bit. I'll put it down below. And then we'll probably use the new kit from Betty. I've got some of that because it's blues too, and you've got blues in here. This is from Katarina at Digital Hobby Helper, Winter Woodland. So I think I'll make a whole journal just out of this one, just using that. So let's see. So this one is Something Artist. This one is from Something Artist. That helps you a lot, doesn't it? Something Artist. Let me look right here. I may have put my note right over here because I used a piece of that paper the other day in something. Yep, right here it is. I knew I had a note on there. It's from Emma Parrish Artist. That's where this collection is from, and it's called Winter Junk Journal Kit. Winter Junk. It's called Winter Junk Journal Kit. So we'll be using some of this along with Susan's collection to do our winter journal. I can't wait to get started on it. I wanted to get started a couple of days ago, but like I said, my computer crashed and I didn't get to, so... But we are going to get to that. And this page I thought would go in there well. This is one that we did on camera a while ago, where we did the little slots here that you can put your cards in. So I'm going to go ahead and use that one in there. Even though it's got a few little flowers, I don't mind that. And then this is another one. This is one from Susan, but it was on another collection, I do believe. And I'm going to go ahead and use that one in there too. So I've got 2 of those pages ready. All right, that is it. I just wanted to jump on real quick and tell you guys, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Please be safe, be well. And I hope you get everything and more that you've ever wanted for Christmas. And please be careful out there if you're going out, because it is a madhouse. Hubby went out this morning and he came back and he said, it's awful out there. He said, I'm not going out again until the new year. So anyway, all right, guys, don't forget to watch the blog for the freebies. I also, I almost forgot to tell you this. Also, we are going to be doing a inventory clearance sale. We need to clear out inventory because, as you know, every year about this time I do this, because anything that's in inventory at the end of the year, I have to pay taxes on. And I don't like giving the IRS my tax money. So we're going to have an inventory clearance sale. That will be posted up probably in the next couple of days. So just watch our YouTube channel, because we'll announce it on here, and then we'll announce it in the group. If you're not a member of our Facebook group, you can go down and click on that link and go over and join. I don't know what percentage off we're going to do right now. We've got what we did was we've put a lot of different percentages in a bucket, and we're going to have Brooklyn draw out one when she gets over here in the morning. She's going to draw out a certificate, and whatever that certificate says, if it says, 20, 25, 30, 10, 15, whatever it says, that's what we're going to do. So who knows what the discount is going to be, but we are going to do the inventory clearance sale. So make sure that you stick around for that. At the end of the video right here, I'm just going to put a couple of pictures of our Christmas tree. I know some of you have asked, how do I decorate my Christmas tree? Well, mine's very simple. I just put the things up that my grandkids have made over the years. So I'll insert a picture right here at the end, and we will talk to you guys later. Love you all. Appreciate you so much. Thank you guys for a wonderful 2021, and we'll see you next week.